All right, good evening, fam. This is Nate. It's Friday. You're not coming back from the, I did laundry today. I picked up my reflectors because I'm gonna put these in the window tonight. They're going in the window. I had to do laundry because a lot of my window, curtains was just messed up. A lot of clothes in my clothing was, everything was dusty and messed up. So I went to laundry today, and guys, I bought this tote. This tote is going to be my bathtub. Yeah, I said it, bathtub. So, I'm not sure when my water's going to get turned on. I don't even know when the electric going to get turned on. I don't even know when I'm going to have my sewer system set up. I have no idea. No idea. So, I decided to, well, the idea came from my sister. She said, buy a tote. Cause I was like, I want to be able to do a sit down bath. Y'all, they all fresh and clean. Yeah. So I'm like, how can I? And y'all don't misunderstand. I do have family. I go over my family homes or whatever I'm gonna do. This is going into a different bag. This is summer piece. My summer pieces are going to be put in a different bag and taken to the storage. I'll leave out one pair of shorts, short and top. Yeah, but because I don't want to spend a lot of time with a lot of stuff in the way. So, in the meantime, I'm putting my clothes. I'm gonna put the summer stuff in this thing here. Meantime, I'm putting my clothes up. I'm putting my stuff in here until I get ready to use it for a bathing situation. So that's what I'm doing. Just putting these things in here, and that way they won't get dust on them. And to make sure they don't get dust on them, I'm going to, let me see, what is this? Oh, I don't need this either. I ain't wearing no dresses. So my summer stuff is going to this black pillowcase. When I go to the storage, I'll just put because these have got dusty in that drawer down there, and I'm not gonna put nothing in that drawer because it has to be cleaned. So whatever summer outfit summer wears. Okay, this is not summer. This is one of my summer shirts that I wear under my clothes. So this gets to stay. This is like I can wear these here on my clothes too. I'm gonna leave this sheet in here. These are my towels, which most of my towels is put in that little thing over there. So I'm just kind of like trying to organize clothes a little better. Now here are my curtains that I had on the window that was just got all dusted up. My tripod thing got all dusted up. I washed the tennis shoes. Let me put these so they can dry. Over here, they was all dusted up. Okay, this bag here. Bought myself another light. Look, this is 150 lumens. So this is trying to help brighten things up. And y'all, I bought this here. Honeywell Turbo Force Power Heater. This is supposed to push air as well as heat. We'll see what this works like. I'm kind of like, I don't want to be cold. I'm just not that person that wants to be cold. You know? So I do not want to be cold. And I just don't. Now I was going to take this out back to the store, but they don't have Ross and Allen. Sock. Okay. It's clothes in this bag here. Now I need to take. I got these clothes here I wear on a regular basis. I'm gonna put these here. See my little socks, y'all, my little thick socks. So I'm gonna put these clothes here, so that they won't get dusty. So I just have to take time out another day and organize this stuff. But these are my camisole and my long sleeve shirts that I wear. No long sleeve t-shirts, and I have plenty of gas. One of my brothers, he brought me his gas tank, and it's like, he says an 8-gallon tank, and it's much bigger than my tank. So he filled that up for me this morning. So I got that. The generator's full. My container's full. So at least I have about maybe 10 gallons of gas. You know. I'm gonna put this right here. Now these are my covers, my curtains. Okay. Got another thing, gonna show this here. So this is what I'm doing right now, and I got this heater on back here just to kind of let me see, what is it doing. This is not a lot of heat, y'all. This is just this is sorry. This is not a lot of heat. You know, it's not a lot of heat, not at all whatsoever. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna be cutting the reflectors. Putting things out of the way in the back area. So I'm going to be cutting the reflectors. My new bathtub. With the top. So I'm going to take this thing and move this to the back out the way. And I have clothes, like I said, I have other clothes in here. This bag right here have a few things in it. So I'm going to, wait a minute, let me get this thing here out the way. Heater out the way. I mean, I feel some heat, but I got the feeling of the kerosene. So, and I'm putting these clothes in here because everything got so dusted up. I had to wash a lot of clothes. I had to wash the window curtains and things. Everything got so dusty. Sorry, family. The noise is going. This tote to the back. This tote going to the back. And I'm going to cook tonight. Okay, guys. This is my little buddy heater. See, I've been having this here for a minute. Oh, this is my food. I'm like, oh, and here's a place I've been looking for. I'm like, what happened to my favorite place? Oh, girl, oh, y'all, it's real bright, okay? So, okay, here go another pair of my socks. So I took all this stuff and put it in a little buddy heater, and I'm like, little buddy heater case, and I'm like, okay, I have a can of, oh, where's the top? Let me find the top. Ooh, okay, I have an extra can of this here and here. My little buddy heater, that push out a lot of heat, y'all. I mean, no, I'll take it back. It doesn't push out a lot of heat. I have cans. I've got plenty canisters, plenty. I have 2 in the car, 2 4 sticks. That's 4 here. Okay. I don't see any canisters there, but I have 1 2 3 4 5. So I have 4 canisters here in this bag, and I have 2 canisters in the car. So that's 4 6. No, I'm sorry, I got 5 canisters. Yeah, I got 5 canisters in here, and I have 2 in the car. So I have 7 canisters of 1 pound propane for my little buddy heater. Now, I don't like being cold. You will see that. The little heater that I just bought, I want to see how well it pushes out the heat. So, if it pushes out the heat like I needed to, that other heater, I wanted to take the other heater back a long time ago, but I didn't take it back because I missed about it. I dropped it. When I dropped it, it fell out the back of the car, and it bent. So, and I was going to tell y'all something else I was going to do. It was going to be real ghetto. I'm going to put this in the car so it won't be in the way. So I know when I go to the storage, this can go into the car. And, where's my eyeglasses? Y'all, I got to work fast because it's about 4 o'clock, I think. And I got to do this wonderful thing here. Okay, fam, let me tell you what I was thinking about. I was thinking about this here. This candle's not the window. I've eaten a hamburger earlier. I was thinking about taking this here and cutting it so high and stapling it on the outside of the plate. This is going to come out the reflection. Oh, here's the top part. I got 3 rolls of this, y'all. I'm going to put this under the house. And that's what I was going to do, but I'm thinking about right now. Let's see, this I have to put all this. It comes in a long piece. Yeah. This is let me see. So the size of this here is a 48 inch and 25 feet. So 48 inch wide, 25 feet long, a couple of 100 square feet. That's what it says. Square feet covered, yeah, 100. So this is what I'm planning on putting on the house in the summertime, and I should have done half of like my first time told me to do. I think had I done that, I wouldn't have all the cold air like I have. So this is what I'm gonna put on the window. I'm gonna cut aside pieces for each window today tonight and put that on the window. So my window's gonna be covered with reflectors, and I'm not gonna worry about the curtain because I don't wanna get all that done. And I might put the curtains up, I don't know. But I also thought about cutting this halfway, go measure it outside and cut it and put it around the edge of the house. Something else I think about doing. Where's my measuring tape? So I have to go outside and measure, take my measurements, and where is my bag? So this is my lady work bag, right? So these are my measurements. So I'm gonna go and measure from the level of my staple to down and cut this here to that side. So that's what I'm gonna do shortly. And I think that would help keep some of the wind. And also when I do get mine, and I may have to buy another roll of that, that's fine. But also when I get my my skirting to go around the house, I was going to add this stuff anyway. Oh, I need to add some kerosene to my thing here. I need to add that. But this thing is barely knocking the wind off. It's barely knocking the wind off. So I brought this in here. So I'm gonna cook on my electric stove tonight. I'm in this bag of okay. Cat litter, y'all know what those are, right? Yep. Y'all, look, my pants is probably stagnant away. I have on these thermal pants, some black thermal pants inside of here, and they kind of like pulling the pants down. You know how clothes don't function right anyway. So I'm gonna fill this thing here with kerosene. Do that. Oh, okay. So this needs some batteries. Oh yeah. I guess this needs new batteries because it had stopped working. No, okay, it's working. The battery wasn't in there. I have this here right at the step, outside step. So I'm gonna put that back out there. So when I step on the porch at night, let me see. fish or whatever they get in my fish. So my project is cut reflectors, go measure outside, cut them, take this gun here and staple all around. Might look a little ghetto, but this is girl gotta do what girl gotta do. Hopefully that'll help block some of the wind from coming under the cabin. And I can, you know, the floor, I know the floor may not be any cooler, so hopefully when the guy return, they're gonna do the sanding and the painting. I hope by the end of the weekend, I can get some flooring in. You know, so we don't know, but I'm on somebody this time. So, okay fam, this is Ned Simple Me Journey. I'm not gonna keep y'all. Please if you like my content, hit that like and subscribe button. I got to get to work, and I may do a video of me working on the reflectors for the one inside. All right, family, it's about what? It's about your journey. Y'all be blessed. Bye.